Assalamu alaikum students. I have so far only 7 students are here. Okay. I hope they will come because I don't want you to be here for long also. Okay. So since last class, some students are facing the problem because see, this is the basic things and then I want you, okay, to know about this before we go further. Okay. So as you know that even the see, when we have a meeting here, then the HOD are saying that if the students say they don't have computer, ask them to drop the course. They are even saying like this. But we know that some students, they don't have a computers, okay? And then especially the IT subjects programming, okay? You need the computer because even the online compilers are not working, okay, with the mobile applications, okay? So please try as much as possible, okay? I understand that not all the students have a computers, okay? So this is the part 2, okay? And the, and the Moodle, I have already given this one, and then this have only 5 slides, okay? This is chapter 2, only 5 slides. So which means that all the slides are important as usual. And then again, today I am going to teach again, okay? So whatever I teach in the last class for the coding, because this subject is the web development means that you have to create the website, how to create the website, okay? So the basic part you have to know. The first thing is that where you have to write the coding, how to save, and then how to test. These are the very basic things that everybody should know about that, okay? So these subjects mostly we deal with the HTML. See, this is called HTML. Okay, the file name extension is a HTML or HTML. Okay, so HTML is stand for, you have to know for the long form. H is for hyper, T is for text, and then this is a markup and language. Okay, so this is a long form about the HTML. These subjects mostly talk about the creation of website using the basic, okay, HTML tag. Okay, so HTML file must have an extension, file extension. When you save, okay, usually we use the .html, okay, .html, because we write the coding start with the HTML, so we write the .html file extension. Give any name. For example, you can even give ahmad.html or practical one or lab one.html. Name can be any name, but extension is a .html, okay, or HTML. Usually we go for HTML. Okay, so these are the main point. Other things you don't have to know mostly about. So this is also HTML tag. Okay, so as you know, or whether you are aware about this or not, okay, usually we write it the 2 character here. They say the HTML tag are surrounded by 2 character. 2 characters are this one open and this one close. Even when we start the coding, okay, we open this one and then we write HTML inside. We write HTML and then close. You must open and close. Okay, so this is mostly we use. These are the 2 character here. Okay, so and then also we discussed last time, these are the example of how to make the board. Okay, they come and pair like after you open B is for board, and then you have to close. This is called the pair. After you open and then you have to close this one. Okay, so after HTML is open and here, then you must close HTML. This is the things, these are the rules. And then again, sometimes we can use the small one, and then sometimes you can even use the big, okay, big alphabet. See, this is a B is a small, here is a B is a big. So that's why no problem. You can use the small one or big one. So that's why they call these are the HTML tag. This is called HTML tag. These are not case sensitive. This is this. Okay, not case sensitive. Not case sensitive means that you can use the small or big. It means the same. Okay, small b is the same with the bigger b. Okay, so these are the only important points. You don't have to memorize anything. And then since last time we already know it. We have to open with this one, less than, this is the less than, write HTML and close. This is the basic one. And then whenever you open something here, even the HTML, you have to close back. This is the close line. Open and close. And then whether it is a small alphabet or big alphabet, no problem. It is not case sensitive. Okay, so these are the basic information about the HTML. Okay, basic things that you have to know. Okay, so next slide is this one. Last time we talked about these things. So these are the very basic things that how you are going to, okay, format the text for your website. Okay, so these are the HTML elements. Okay, so as I explained, okay, I will explain this one again and the here. Okay, we will run it again in this practical because I just want to explain again. This is the HTML. All the website creation must start with the HTML. Open, and then this is the one. HTML is a close here now. Okay, so inside here we have a heading part. This is the heading part. I will change to the another color, maybe red color. Okay, so and this here, this is the heading part here. See, this is the head, HEAD head. Where this head is appear is that this head will appear in the website, the title page there. After when you enter your website, then it will appear in the top of the there. So this is a heading part. You open the head, you close the head, but inside the head, you must put the title. Title open and then title close. Whatever you open inside here, then you must close back. So here, you have to put the title of the page. So whatever you write, for example, if you write web development, it is going to appear the web development. So you have to write the what the name you want to give to your website. Okay, so this is the heading. Then after that, we have another part is very important. This is the body part. Whatever you write inside this body, okay, this is another part. Okay, then this is whatever you write inside this body. Okay, see, this is the body part here. Okay, from here to here, these are the body part. Okay, so this is the body part. So body open and then body close. So whatever you write inside the body part, this is going to appear in the inside the website. Okay, it will appear everything in the website. Okay, so and then also we discussed about some of the points over there. Okay, last time you remember we discussed about the how to make the bold. Bold means that you make there this text bold. Be open and be closed, must close. This is the italic I. Okay, italic is like a little bit, I mean, they're not the straight. And then this is the underline of the text. Okay, and this is, you can even combine all together. You can combine 1 or 2 or you can combine 3, no problem. Okay, so after you open everything, make sure you are going to close. If you use the 3, you have to close all the 3 things. Okay, so how about the BR? BR is for going another line. If you don't write BR here, they are going to write after finish this, they will continue another line. They will continue another line. So you have to put the BR here. BR is for break, go down one line. Okay, BR stand for the break and then going down one line. Okay, and then here, this thing, we didn't discuss about this, and then I will show you this part. Okay, this is for superscript and subscript. What is a superscript and subscript? Okay, for example, the superscript is for the like a going up, okay, or for example like x square. Okay, this one you will find out how you are going to write. Superscript is mostly like, for a super mean x square. Okay, for example x, you are going to write x square. Okay, so these two we want to put it on top. For example, x is square, because I think the mathematics you remember this thing, x square. So now if we write only x2 is there, so but we have to use the, when we include here this 2 inside here, okay, it is going to be right x square, then superscript is going to be happen. Okay, and then subscript is like, for example, H2O. You remember H2O for the, I think you study some of the chemistry in your high school. So for example, H2O is water. So this 2 is going to, we want this 2 to go down here, small one. So we are going to use the subscript. So this is the thing. Superscript is going up, a square, and then H2O, 2 down, this is called the subscript. Okay, so we are going to learn these things also. So I only want to finish this part today, this page, because some of the part we finish only this subscript and superscript. I want to go for these things. Okay, so these are the most important point that you have to know. Okay, so let's go for the practically to do it now. Okay, so please, last class, for those who have a problem, please look carefully now. Okay, because now I'm going for the coding. The first thing you have to do is that, because see, the reason I cannot do this one is that the Zoom, we are using the free version. So I cannot share more than one screen. But and here I want to show you when I write this code, what happened in the website. This is the things I want to share. But now I have to go for one by one. Okay, but let's go. Then no, I cannot do it anything. Now you have in your computer, you have to write the notepad. Okay, how to write the notepad is that in the start button, you have to find NOTEPAD, notepad. Okay, so I'm recording these things now. Then after that, okay, I will upload it, these things also. Okay, so it will be easier for you. Okay, now I will, where is your notepad now? I will share the notepad now. My notepad is here. See, just now I opened the notepad. Okay, see, this is called the notepad. See, in the start button, you find in your computer notepad, NOTEPAD. This is a notepad. Okay, NOTEPAD, notepad. This is a notepad. Okay, so now we are going to start writing the coding now. Okay, how to write the coding is that, okay, so the first thing you have to write is HTML. Okay, we are going to write the HTML coding, and then we say the HTML. Okay, this is like the small things. I make it bigger, little bit bigger. Okay, HTML. So after you open the HTML, make sure that you are going to close HTML. These are the basic things that the first thing you have to do is these things. HTML open and HTML close. So after HTML, inside the HTML, we know that there are head, HEAD head. Head is for the heading of the website. And then after you open the head, you have to make sure you copy and you close. Okay, close is this one, like the slash. You close it now. So inside the head, you have a title, TITLE title. These are all the basic things that you have to know. Title open and then title close. Okay, so these are very, very basic things that all the website you need these things. Okay, then after finish the heading part, the last one is a body, BODY, body. And then you have to close this body and here. Okay, before the HTML, you have to close the body. So whatever you are going to write, these things are going to appear inside the website of the body. So this title, what about this title mean? This title means that this title is going to show it in the website, the title there. Okay, I will write it again, web development, DEVELOPMENT, web development. I write the title and then I will show again, last time I told you where this title is appear. And here I need a slash here. Okay, so these parts are fixed. See, I want to show you these parts are fixed for all the website creation. Okay, you can just only the copy and this and that. Okay, so this part is fixed for all website creation. You need this part. Okay, so then now I'm just going, these things are not going to appear in your website. This is for the writing code. Okay, this is the necessary for that. So what is going to appear on a website only when I'm going to start now. This is not going to appear in your website. Okay, so now the first thing I'm writing is web development. Only this one is going to appear. See, whatever you write inside the title open and title close, then this is going to appear in your website. Okay, and then after that, whatever you write in this down part inside the body, it is going to appear in the website also. Okay, so when you want to appear in the website, you have to write inside the body here. Usually we write many things in here. Okay, everything is we are going to write inside the body open and body close. Okay, so the first thing, okay, the first thing I told you that, the first thing we write about is that this is the things that we write it. Okay, I don't want to write it anymore. And then here, I already have it here. Remember, this is the here. You need a space. If you want to put the space, also no problem. If you don't want to put the space, also no problem. Okay. So when you look at this part now, okay. So the first thing is that here, this is the bold, and then open, and then this is the closed, and then this is that this text is bold. Bold means that it will become thick, and then this is I open and I close. This text is italic. Okay, italic is not the strict, it is a little bit, like this, okay? And then this text is underline. Underline means that it is going to be like underline. You are going to put the underline for this text, okay? But then it is like Seoul University College. Because for the Seoul University College, okay, I put all the three things. You can put only two also. If you put the two, then you can add 2 or 3, no problem. I'm just showing that if you want to add the 3, they add the 3 here. If you can add 2 or 3, no problem. So this is one of the things that we studied last class. Okay. Then after that, I want you to know that, okay. So when we write it like this, after one line, it is going to be continuous there. So in order to not to make the continuous, we put the BR. Okay, we put the BR between this. BR means they're going down one line, going down one line, going down one line. So, and here we put the BR. BR is for break line. So you just copy these things. Copy, and then for another line also, copy, and then another line also, copy. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so this is that you are going down one by one line. But if you want more space, you want to go down 2 lines, you can put another BR here. So you have now 2 BR. So which means that you can write it together, or you can write it like this, or you can write it together like this. Okay, and you can put even this BR and this place also, no problem. No need to put the space. If you don't want to put the space, then you can put it here also like this, no problem. Okay, so now I just want to show you that after one line, BR means go down another line, another line, another line. And here you have a 2 BR. So after this text is finished, before the Seoul University College is coming, it is going down 2 line because you have a 2 BR here. It will have a little bit longer space. So now the main part here is how you are going to save these things. Okay, this is the coding, the first coding, I write it already. Okay, so where this is going to appear, this is going to be appear in the text, the heading part, title page, I will show you. And then this inside the body, whatever you write between the body, this is going to be appear in body part, and then we will go and see it. The next part here is that you are going to save. File, save as. The first time you are going to go for is save as. You go for save as first here. Save as. Okay. And then I'm going to save it in the document file. Document file. Okay. So how to save? I don't know whether you can see or not these things. Okay. You have to save as the HTML, .html. I'm going to give the name now. Okay. Practical, Practical, practical2.html. Okay, so this file name extension I'm going to give you later. So I'm saving in the document file, and then I give the name .html. Then I save it now here. Okay, I save it now. Now the name is changed here. See, this notepad, the name is changed here, Practical2. When you look at this one, this name is changed here. This is my file name. Practical2, I save it as a .html. Okay, so let's go back to the document file now. Because now I want to stop this coding, and then I will go and show you where did I save. The things that I save. Okay, I will stop this share, and then now I'm going to share the documents. This is the document, I save it here. See, this is the things that I save. Practical2. The file name is .html. See the .html. I want to show you when I click it here, when I put the cursor here, and then if you want to see the property, right click, and I don't know whether you can see the property or not. Okay, so this is the HTML documents. They say that this is the extension is HTML document. I save this one as a practical 2 dot HTML. So that's why this is the file type is the HTML type. Okay, so this is like it's appear as a Chrome. See, this is a Chrome HTML document. They appear here is like Chrome HTML documents. Okay, so you can see here, and then I have saved it today. Okay, today 2:26 p.m. I saved this one. Okay, so maybe sometime this is because I have a Chrome as a default okay web browser. That's why it appear as a Chrome. Maybe for you different. Maybe some students it is going to appear as a like a Mozilla Firefox, or some students will have a EIE meaning the Internet Explorer. So depends on your computer. Okay, this icon will be changed. Okay, depends on your computer. Some computer will be Mozilla, some computer will be Chrome, whatever the browser you set up as a default, then they will give you this one. So when I click this one, when I click this one, it will open in the website, the browser. Now I will click this one now. When I click this one and see where it is going to be open, I will show you now. Okay, so this is open and here. Okay, I think you cannot see this one now. Then I will show you in the website because I have to share again. So that's why this is the problem with the using the this zone, because I cannot show the together. This is the main problem, because I need to show together when I write this thing what happened and another things. Okay, so now I will show you the website. Where is the website gone now? Where is the Chrome? Chrome is here. And this is, I stopped share. And let's see. Where is the Chrome is here. Okay, so this is the, see, just now I click the internet button and then it's appear this one. See, this is the website. Okay, where it's appear here. This is the web development. See, this is the title. Just now in the coding, I write the title. Inside the head, I have a title. Okay, inside the title, I have a web development. Okay, this is the title part. Okay, the first one, these are appear inside the body part. I write it inside the body part, this one. This text is bold, this text is italic, this text is underlined. Because I put one line for the BR, so that's why it's go down. Okay, but this next one is going 2 line down because I write 2 BR here. So in this one, there are all the 3 properties are combined. It is bold, it is italic is like this, and then it is underlined. All the 3 properties are combined in here. Okay, so this is the basic things. How to write it in the notepad, and then how to save it, and then how to run it. You have a 3-step. You open the notepad, you write the coding. After that, you go for file, save as, give the name, and then extension is .html. Extension is .html. You have to save as a .html. Okay. Then after that, okay, you go to the place where you save. You can save it in desktop, or you can save it in the document. Okay. Then after that, it will appear as an icon. Okay, browser with the browser, like a Mozilla or Chrome or IE. Then after that you open, and then it is going to be open in your browser. This is the things here. Okay, so these are the things, very basic things. And then the thing is that I want you to understand where to write the coding. Okay, and then how to, okay, how to, save it, and then how to open it. And then when you open, this is in the web browser. They open it as a web browser. Okay. Then students, now let me ask you, anybody try these things or not? Students, please. Anybody try these things or not? Anyone, please answer. Did you try? For those who already have a computer, Did you try or not yet try? You try? Mariam, did you try? Is it okay? Yes. Is it working? Do you understand? Is it working in your computer? Yeah. Okay. So this is the basic thing. So again, whatever we learn it today, I will upload it again for your reference, okay, and the YouTube, and then you can learn it. So again, if you understand these basic things, how to write it, where to write the code, how to save it, and then how to run it, then it will be very easy, because we will change the coding and then we will see how it is going to be changed here. Okay. So today I just want you to know about these basic things. Okay, because the time is also running out here now. Okay, so other part, because this one also last class I already studied, then some students, for those who still have a problem, please try to, okay, understand these things. Okay, because see, some of the compilers are not working also, because I think that, because many teachers are saying that for those from the mobile phone, the compilers are not working, because I want to give the compiler also, the compiler is not working. So that's why they say that you must have a computer. This is the main reason. Okay, but for those who still doesn't have, please try to understand the concept. Okay, I don't want you to give the pressure that you must have a computer or this and that. Okay, so please try to learn by yourself. For those who have a computer, please try this thing. And then if you still have a problem, next class, please do ask me. Okay? If you have no more questions, you may leave. Any more questions? If you don't have it, you may leave now. Why you have a problem, Amani? Did you see the icon or not? Did you see the internet icon? In your file folder, do you see? Or what is the extension? The extension must be here. I will write it extension. For example, give the name. I give the name practical2 practical2.html. This is the extension. See, .html. Did you say correctly this .html? Did you save correctly .html? See, dot is the full stop here. This name can be any name, but extension must be .html. Try save it. If you save it as a .html, it will appear with the internet browser icon. Okay, so please, must be this .html file. Okay, and also other students, okay, please try. You may leave if you have no questions. Okay, for those who haven't tried yet, please try. Okay, okay, right, inshallah. Then again try it, and the next class we will go it, because see, most of the time we have to do it this creation of a website. Okay, because this subject is web development, mostly we have to write the coding and then we have to run it, and then again it is very interesting and very easy, inshallah. Okay, yes, you may leave if you have no questions. Okay, see you next week, inshallah. See you next week. Okay, please try. Okay, take care. Okay, thank you.